start to the Memorial Weekend, everybody. We're getting ready to go to the cabin. I'm done with work. Oh, end of the month processing is sucky at my work. We're just packing up and Russ is just finishing. We got all of our stuff. He's getting the bikes on. This is the tedious process.
Tedious?
Okay,
the only thing I can use to describe this is a 4-letter word that I should not say to a camera right now.
Yes, this little guy is super duper ready, huh, Colin? Are you ready? Mm-hmm. All right, so we had to make a quick stop to Lowe's because the doorknob at the mini cabin is not doing so well. And the kids and me and the puppies, we are all just waiting for Dad to go get the doorknob. Whew. Well, that was a tough one. So I just organized this whole place because there's so many of us coming up here this weekend. We have Russell's sister and her husband and baby, both of his brothers. We have my in-laws next door neighbor. He came up. So we have all of our food that we put in here. So snacks. Thankfully we have like a little mini fridge, so everything that is cold for us is in there. Colin's stuff is all ready. Got his hippo and everything. That's where Bella's gonna sleep, so I got her bag right there. Got us all squared away up there. Russell's stuff is in that little dresser up there. Got the heater turned on because it's gonna be kind of chilly tonight, but we'll turn it off when need be. I got the fan on just in case. It's morning, Saturday, and it's been a rough one. It's already, let's see here, 10 o'clock. Last night, Russ goes out with our family friend, Dale. He comes back home at like 2:30 in the morning. Yeah, well, you can kind of read in between the lines as how he was when he got back. Let's just say Mom didn't get any sleep. Poor Bella didn't get any sleep because I ended up waking her up because I ended up sleeping next to her last night. Mr. Man is sleeping pretty well right now. He had a rough night, I guess. Now we ate breakfast, we went on a quick UTV ride, and we're just waiting for the rest of the party to show up. And then we'll have Merrick's first birthday party. We're gonna make some cupcakes. And Colin's here playing on the rock hill. Huh, buddy? Are you off-roading? Oh, is it stuck? Oh no! But it's been a quiet morning. I'm gonna go sit over by the fire pit and just soak up some sun. Try and wake up a little bit, relax. So we're working hard. We're laying out some gravel for the driveway here because it gets kind of muddy and gunky in the wintertime. Oh, such a good boy! Such a good helper! Good job! So this is what we got done so far. And right all the way to there is what we have to do left. I'm the one spreading it out and raking it. Poor Russ and my mother-in-law Vivian, they're shoveling it into the wheelbarrow. Whew, it's a lot of work. Yeah, he's paying for it. Poor guy.
Yeah, poor me.
Aw, poor honey.
You should feel bad for me.
No, because you kept me up last night. You are working so hard. Look at you. You're doing all the work. Huh? Good job. Oh my gosh. You're so strong. right, we just finished cheeseburgers. They were super good. We're gonna go have some cupcakes for Merrick's birthday. He's turning 1. Oh my gosh, he's getting so big. Gonna go celebrate. Aww. Oh, you're so sweet, buddy. He's poking your face. That's sweet. Oh, that's so sweet.
He does like it. Is that good? You're petting him like you do Leo.
He's petting you, Colin. You just help Merrick, okay? Merrick, watch Colin.
What's going on?
Happy birthday, dude.
Happy birthday, dude!
He's like, no, I don't want to touch it.
Oh my god!
Oh, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it.
Oh my god!
I need a new butt.
Oh, look at you, birthday boy. Hey, little man. Hey. Oh, I love it. You're gonna help, buddy. All right. Go 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, ooh, that looks cool. Wow, curiosity table. Look at that, Mary. Oh, I love that face. Woo!
Got that.
I love it. It's a wagon.
Nice.
Dude, Colin would want that right now. Do you like that, Merrick? Is that cool? Yeah. Charlotte, are you lapdog? Oh. There you go. Good job, Merrick. Good job.
That's part of the fun.
He doesn't look like he's all upset. No, he's
Oh, slow, slow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Merrick. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Yeah, Grandpa. Well, just took a shower. I feel great. But that was fun. Little birthday celebration for Merrick. It's crazy. He's already won. It's flying by. But I think we're just gonna do a little powwow around the fire. Maybe have some s'mores and just enjoy the rest of the night. So it's about 7 a.m. It's morning. Just woke up this little dude. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys,
What time is it?
it's 48.
It's 38. Do you remember what we're gonna have?
Pancakes and sausage.
We're gonna go have pancakes and sausage and start the day, okay? Yay! Colin, got your own wheelbarrow, your own shovel. You're helping the dudes, huh?
Getting the driveway done.
Oh yeah.
Doing pretty good so far. Started there. We're almost all the way up to the cabin up there. Huh, Bella? Yeah.
You helping? Good job.
Yeah, good job.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
All right, so I'm all ready. Got Hippo, Colin's little lovey. But we're going to the tavern here. We're gonna have a Bloody Mary bar. Oh, we mud rocking!
Yeah!
Woo! Bella's having fun. Oh, here we go, some more mud. Woo! Oh! That was fun, right, buddy?
Yeah!
Yeah! We went mud bogging! Woo! Yeah, next up is the river! Woohoo! Yeah, the aftermath of Dad's truck is awesome, huh, buddy? Yeah. You want a high five? Yeah. All right, look at this setup. Oh, what? Now I got the camera on you and you're not ready?
Not ready.
Oh, come on. Buddy, is this water really cold? Yeah. Super, like ice cold, and he's gonna lay in it as he floats away. Oh, he's saying a prayer. Woo! Oh yeah, that's the way to do it, babe. So you cold? Probably feels good now.
Not yet.
Not yet. And we made a little dam here so we can make it nice and calm right here for the kiddo to stand in. We just finished lunch up or over at the river, and it was great brats with hot dogs and stuff too. But now we're contemplating on who's gonna drive what vehicle, the UTV, the ATV, four-wheeler. Colin, was that fun?
What are we doing?
We're just sitting and chilling for a minute. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Punch it! Don't get sideways.
There's nothing in your way. Oh my gosh, don't do that. Woohoo! We got a leakage problem.
A mineral block?
It's dripping fuel.
That's right.
Don't know why, don't know how this happened. This is the one that Russ and I are on. So yeah, that's no fun. We're all stopped here though. We got the duct tape from the seat here that's all duct taped up because it was ripped a little bit. Yep, we gotta tow it back. that goes. Whoa, did you see that?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
He's a little lizard. So Russ decided to try and take us fishing at this little pond here. With no luck again. But we're seeing a lot of fish like jumping in the water. I just saw one. Just no luck. So I figured I'd try and show him the scenery and show him if there's any creatures. We saw a frog and now the little lizard. Daddy got something. Daddy got something. Be careful. Okay, run, run, run. Oh man, he's a big one.
What?
Oh man.
Buddy.
Okay. Whoa!
Oh, good.
Good catch, Mom.
Reel him in. I'll hold the pole. You reel him in.
You reel him in.
Oh, you feel him fighting? He's fighting. Oh, I see him. Oh, he's trying to take mine.
Colin, look at that! You got a fish! Oh my gosh! Look at that!
Okay, Grandpa, we gonna fish.
Yeah!
Yeah. Here. Well, Mom
Here.
can take a photo of him after. You gotta hold him up, buddy. That's your fish. Here, Dad'll get your picture while Mom films you.
Yeah, buddy! He's a wiggler.
All right,
huh?
dude. All right, ready? You gotta do this a little bit. Let him get in the water, and then you let him go.
There he goes! Yay!
Dad, ask him how big his fish was.
Hey, dude, how big was that fish? You lie like your grandpa.
No. No, he lies like a real fisherman, Grandpa.
You lie like your great grandpa.
Yeah, I was gonna say his great grandpa's the one who likes to tell the stories.
All right, so it's morning again. We just finished some coffee, but I am cleaning up. I'm putting all this stuff away. Russ and the kids went fishing for the last time this morning. I told them I just wanted to stay and relax because yesterday was go, go, go. Everything was just, we did so much yesterday. Where is it? Oh, you happy boy? Oh my goodness! All right, all done. Now we're heading out. Mom, get ice cream first.
Yeah.
Yep. You excited? Yeah. Excited to go home. Look at this. She's naked. I don't even think I ever showed her yet.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. She's naked. Got ourselves some ice cream. Colin's happy. Got some ice cream. Russell.
Yeah,
He's sitting in the big
puppy.
seat. On the road again. So we made it here to my mom's house. Colin's jumping on his little trampoline. You're gonna lay on that bump? Oh gosh, don't kick.
Blah, blah, guys.
Blah, 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 guys.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.